140 years of craftsmanship accumulation, starting from the Black Forest in Germany, regulating temperatures to meet every need around the world. Intelligent factories across 4 continents linked together. Engineers across generations passing the baton, from hand-drawn blueprints with pens to digital research and development.
Okay, let's go.
The customer is going to be the child. This is
Enabling inheritance in every breakthrough and warmth in every innovation. BITZER and AES stand side by side, with international transportation and customer service, synchronizing technology and making services boundless.